To avoid slippage when using a pipe wrench, it's crucial to follow proper techniques and ensure the tool is in good condition. First, make sure the pipe wrench is the right size for the job. Using a wrench that is too large or too small for the pipe can lead to slippage. Ensure the wrench's jaws are tightly adjusted to the pipe before applying force. When positioning the wrench, make sure the teeth of the jaws are in direct contact with the pipe surface, with the handle oriented so the force is applied in the correct direction. The wrench should be placed on the pipe so that when you turn it, the teeth grip the pipe, not slide off. Avoid excessive torque, as over-tightening can cause the jaws to lose grip, especially if the pipe is rusted or smooth. Additionally, maintaining the wrench is key to preventing slippage. Keep the jaws sharp and free from debris. Regularly clean and lubricate the wrench's moving parts to ensure smooth operation. If the teeth become worn or damaged, replace the wrench or its parts to maintain maximum grip.